After several leaks and rumors, Samsung has finally launched Galaxy A21 smartphone in the US and listed on their official website. Talking about the specifications, according to official listing, the Galaxy A21 supports a 6.5-inch Infinity O display with HD Plus resolution and a hole punch that carries 13-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone features a vertically aligned quad camera setup that includes a 16-megapixel main camera accompanied by 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. There is also an fingerprint sensor present on the rear panel for authentication. The device is listed to pack with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. The smartphone comes backed by 4000 mAh battery with 15 watts fast charging. Unfortunately, the company haven't mentioned the Android version and the processor of the phone, but as per the Geekbench listing suggests, the smartphone to come powered by MediaTek's Helio P35 chipset and it will run on Android 10 based on Samsung's One UI 2.0 skin out of the box. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy A21 has been priced in the US at $249. And it will be available for sale in the country from this summer. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A21 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSoBlog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.